For Rhino licensing, we can click the Help menu and we can navigate to the About Rhino menu. And then from here, at the top of the Help menu or About Rhino menu, we will see a licensing tab. You can click the Rhino licensing tab to view and manage your Rhino license. The Rhino toolbars are subdivided into many different sections known as tabs. The standard toolbar for Rhino has a collection of standard tools that are most commonly used, such as New, Open, Save, Print, and so on, as well as some new additions to Rhino 6 such as Grasshopper. We also have toolbars for managing construction planes. Construction planes are the plane on which new points or new entities are created. We also have toolbars for managing individual views and viewports, as well as rendered displays. And there are many other toolbars, tabs on the toolbars for specialty tools. Pretty much every single menu up here has the toolbar associated for quickly launching commands from the menus. You can turn on or off additional toolbars by right-clicking on the toolbar, navigating to Show Toolbar, and then placing a check mark in the toolbar that we wish to display. For instance, placing a check mark in the 3D digitizing toolbar will turn on the 3D digitizing toolbar. We can then close the toolbar by simply clicking the red X, or we can right-click on the toolbar, navigate to Show Toolbars, and uncheck 3D digitizing.